Boy, is it snowing out here. The wind is really whipping. It's really difficult to do this without getting snow in the lens. That's my sidewalk right now that I just cleared a little bit ago. Been out here about an hour. We've had like another 3 inches of snow. We're up to almost 12 inches of snow. Walk out here, see if I can try to keep some of this snow out of the lens. You can see where some tree limbs have fell from the last one. Some more wind. I did part of the driveway, but as you can see, it's starting to cover up with snow again very quickly. If you see my hand in front of their lens, that's because I'm trying to cup the lens a little bit to keep some of the snow out of it. That's my old truck. There's our van, my truck. Big pile of snow. Yeah, I can't tell. This is Clee Mill, which has been plowed, but it's going to be difficult for them to keep up with this kind of snow. And boy, that wind keeps blowing. At some points from right here while I was shoveling, you couldn't even see that sign. Looks like, I swear, almost I got a feeling this one might end up worse than the other one we had just had a couple days ago, which was like 27 inches of snow up here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's my neighbor over there, and the flag's just blowing like crazy.